In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to cancel limit order in Groww app. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to manage any orders that you have issued on Groww. To do this, open the application and you will have to go into your orders. So usually there will be a menu on the home screen where you will be able to access orders right about here. So switch from positions, my watch list, and so on until you find orders. When you go into your orders, it should be listed here. So find the specific one that you would like to cancel or modify. If it doesn't appear here, then you will not be able to cancel it. You have to go into this session after accessing your profile. So when you tap on a specific order that you would like to manage, you will be able to see the prompts. So the order will appear here. You will see the details, the quantity, the value, and then you can choose between canceling, which is the focus of this video, or modify. Choose whichever one you want to prefer, and you will be able to proceed. The cancel request will be sent, and usually it is going to be automatically approved and taken place. Afterwards, you can repeat the same steps with any other additional orders that you see listed here under your profile. If you don't find a specific order here, you will not be able to modify. You will only be able to manage the orders that you see available here, and all that you have to do is tap on them. So if an order does not appear here, it means that you don't have it active and you will not be able to modify. So from the home screen of the app, look for the orders tab or option and you will be able to select it. If you tap modify, you might also be able to change some settings about it, like the price or the quantity, so try it out according to the results that you wish to acquire. I hope I was able to help you on how to cancel limit order in Groww app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.